Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming the battery percentage in the Nest app so you know how much charge is needed. Once done, gather a USB-C cable and a 5V/2A or USB PD wall charger. Weak USB ports slow charging and can confuse status LEDs. Make sure the camera is detached from any mount if the port is obstructed, then locate the USB-C port and the charge indicator. Plug the cable in firmly. This begins the charging process and lets the camera report status. Once connected, observe the LED and app readout to track progress. Amber usually means charging, green means full, and red flags an error. Charge continuously for 2 to 4 hours depending on how low the battery was, because repeated short top-ups can extend total charge time and slow calibration. Make sure the camera sits in a dry, temperate spot. Lithium batteries charge best between 0 and 40 degrees Celsius to protect the battery and ensure accurate charge reporting. After green LED or full percentage in the app, unplug and securely reattach the camera to its mount, making sure the field of view and alignment are correct. Then check the Nest app to confirm battery percent and run a quick live feed and motion alert test to ensure normal operation. If charging didn't start or level won't rise, try a known good USB-C cable and 5V/2A charger, clean lint from the port, and restart the camera. These steps resolve most charging faults.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.